Welcome to Simple Daily English.
Hello everyone. Welcome back. My name is Lily. Thank you for joining me today. In this lesson, I want to tell you a story. It is a simple story. I want to introduce you to my favorite people. I want to tell you about my family. I will speak slowly and very clearly. This story is made for beginners. Are you ready? Let's begin. My wonderful family. I live in a house. It is a white house with a small garden. Inside this house, there is a lot of love. There are 4 people who are very important to me. I want to tell you about my mother, my father, my little brother, and my grandmother. First, let me tell you about my mom. Her name is Elena. She is tall and she has long blonde hair. Her eyes are green, like the grass in spring. My mom is a teacher. She works at a big school. She is very patient. She is very kind. In the morning, she wakes up early. She makes breakfast for everyone. She makes the best pancakes. They are sweet and warm. Mom loves to read. Sometimes, in the evening, I see her on the sofa with a big book. She smiles when she reads. She says, "Lily, books are like windows. They show you the world." I love my mom because she always listens. When I am sad, she gives me a hug. Then the world feels okay again. Next is my dad. His name is David. He is a strong man. He has short, black hair and a big smile. My dad is an engineer. He builds things. He works with computers and big machines. He is very smart. But at home, my dad is very funny. He likes to tell jokes. Sometimes his jokes are silly, but we all laugh. Dad loves the outdoors. On the weekends, he says, "Let's go outside." We go to the park. We ride our bicycles. Dad is very helpful. When my bicycle is broken, he takes his tools. Clink, clank, bang. In 5 minutes, the bicycle is fixed. "Thank you, Dad," I say. "No problem, Lily," he answers. He is my hero. Now, I want to introduce my little brother. His name is Sam. Sam is 5 years old. He is very small, but he has a lot of energy. He has curly hair and big brown eyes. Sam is always moving. He runs in the house. He jumps on the grass. He loves dinosaurs. He has many toy dinosaurs. A big T-Rex, a green stegosaurus, and a small raptor. Sometimes Sam is a bit loud. He says, "Roar, I am a dinosaur." I laugh and play with him. We build tall towers with colorful blocks. Then Sam hits the tower. Crash. The blocks fall down. Sam laughs and laughs. He is a happy boy. Sometimes he is messy. He has chocolate on his face. He has dirt on his hands. But he is my brother, and I love him very much. Finally, I want to tell you about the heart of our home. This is my grandmother. We call her Nana. Nana is my father's mother. She is not very tall. She has silver hair that looks like silk. She wears small glasses on her nose. Nana lives with us. She has a room with many flowers. Nana is the best cook in the world. When she is in the kitchen, the house smells wonderful. It smells like cinnamon. It smells like fresh bread. Nana tells the best stories. She tells stories about when she was a little girl. She lived on a farm. She had a horse and a dog. I sit on the floor, near her chair. I listen to every word. Nana is very wise. She tells me, "Lily, be kind to everyone. Kindness is a gift that you give to yourself." In the afternoon, Nana and I sit in the garden. We look at the roses. We drink hot tea. It is a quiet time, but it is very special. This is my family. We are all different. Mom is quiet and studious. Dad is funny and strong. Sam is loud and playful. Nana is calm and wise. And I am Lily. I am a student. And I am a daughter, a sister, and a granddaughter. Every evening, we sit at the big table. We eat dinner together. We talk about our day. Mom tells us about her students. Dad tells us about his machines. Sam tells us about his dinosaurs. Nana listens and smiles. Sometimes we have problems. Sometimes we are tired. Sometimes we disagree. But at the end of the day, we are a family. A family is like a tree. The branches grow in different directions, but the roots stay together. My roots are in this house. My roots are with these people. I feel very lucky. I am happy to come home every single day. This was my story about my family. I hope you enjoyed meeting them. Now, I want to ask you, do you have a brother or a sister? Please practice your English by describing your family. It is a good way to learn new words. Thank you very much for listening today. I hope you have a wonderful day with the people you love. See you next time. Goodbye.